Hello kids! Today, I'm going to teach you something very important and interesting. Do you know what this is called? This is called the abacus tool. Today, we're going to learn about the abacus. And we shall learn it with our two friends, Ray and Ruby. Ray will assist to move the beads and Ruby will help us count the beads. Alright then, shall we start? Ray, Ruby, are you ready? Let's go. Before we start calculating on the abacus tool, let's understand the term abacus in detail. Abacus is a calculating device. The word abacus is a Latin word derived from the Greek word abax. Can you guess what does abax mean? Abax means a table or a tablet. It seems our friends have a question. Is it called abacus everywhere? Well, not really. In China, the tool is called suanpan. In Japan, it's called soroban. And in Russia, it's called shorty. But do you know that the word abacus hides a meaning in itself? So what is it? It is A stands for abundant, B stands for beads, A stands for addition, C stands for calculation, U stands for utility, and S stands for system. Now, can you tell me what the abacus is used for? That is correct, Ray. Abacus is used for calculation. It's an ancient calculating device that helps us to calculate faster using visualization techniques. It's used in many Asian and Western stores. Not only that, but it's also taught in many Asian and Western schools. Yes, Ruby, I see you have a question. You want to know how many types of the abacus tools are available? There are different types of abacus tools available. But these are the most common ones. The bigger tool that you see here is the teacher's tool, which means it's my tool. And the two smaller tools are the student's tool, which means it is your tool. Because now you're learning the basics of the abacus, you might get any one of these tools, the colorful one or the brown one, to practice hands-on and to calculate. But working on both of these is the same, alright? There goes the bell. Today, we shall stop our session here. I hope that the introduction to the abacus has piqued your interest and you're curious to know more. In the next lesson, we will explore the different parts of the abacus. See you there. Goodbye, kids.